I've obviously heard of Tom Segura.
Yeah.
Videos. It's got to be one of his most popular ones. It is fucking hilarious.
Yeah. Number one, Dane Cook sends his brother to prison.
The one where he hates wrestling is good too. Ah!
Don't bring anyone loving to this.
Let's cleanse our palate. I gotta tell you something. I saw this video yesterday, and it was hard not to bring it, but I knew the show was recording today.
You got
So
excited?
I
Oh, I love that.
I don't think I've laughed harder in an airport.
Oh shit.
in my
Okay.
life. And when I seen this video, I mean, I was shaking and wiping tears out of my eyes. Okay. Here.
Oh yeah. Good movement there, huh?
Yeah.
Can she not breathe?
All right, Miss Lorraine, relax that head for me. There it is.
Can you not taste anything now?
Wow. Wow.
Pardon?
All down the back. My minimum, my back.
It all really takes time. Like this is an Amazon Prime, right?
That's elder abuse.
My
He's
favorite
torturing her.
is that when you're like, and he's like, how about that, huh?
Get some movement there.
I got you good. She's like, Her next, like, he's like, there you go.
It's like when someone's giving you a horrible back massage. You ever had a friend who's like, you're gonna love my back?
Yeah, there you go.
And then they're like,
No, I'm not.
relax, soak into it, yeah.
Oh my god.
Dude, he's killing this old woman.
Oh my god.
Good movement there, huh?
Yeah.
I was watching
Dude,
again.
is she paralyzed now?
So
She was paralyzed to start with. She can't feel none of that. Just making noise.
After this, it starts off and he goes, look at this. She's got scoliosis that is built up over years. So he kind of shows you that hump. He's like, yeah, this is years and years. And he's obviously seen her before.
Up and down, up and down, up and down. Oh yeah. Good movement there, huh?
She's terrified of me.
Relax that head for
Oh
me.
god, oh god, oh god!
There it is.
This can't be good. She looks like she's dying right there. Holy shit! Holy shit!
Wow.
I seen an adjustment on the guy with a severe curve.
All down the back.
Like I said, it looked horrible to watch. But once he stood up, I was like, holy crap.
That is
She
horrible.
got popped so hard that her fucking tongue.
Her tongue stopped working. Is it those neighbors?
I don't know who that is.
Thought I heard a female voice go, ha ha ha.
Thought it was Daniel.
Kick the door in. Terry, wake up.
Get up, bitch.
If I can't sleep, nobody sleeps. It's a party.
I set the broom up at like 2 o'clock this morning.
And it fell. Oh my God.
Damn it.
I can't taste my life.
Holy Christ.
Also, when you go to the
I was sitting
chiropractor,
at the airport.
just yeah. You're not supposed to go, ow, after they crack you.
You get cracked all the time.
You're not
You ever make
supposed
those noises?
It's funny because I see her and I could relate to those feelings, but
Yeah.
like, I've never been like,
Yeah.
You're gonna cry.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Hang on.
see her and I.
Look to his right. Look what they got.
Mm-hmm.
That's the
Deluxe.
big boy.
Yep.
Relate.
But they have multiple. Let's see. You can see it here.
Yeah.
I've never been like,
Yeah.
She's gonna cry. Oh my god.
Does that mean? Oh.
Yeah.
Nobody sees the wizard. Not no way.
Not nobody. Not no how.
I don't want to see the wizard. Okay.
I don't want to watch
I want to see the
it.
lizard. I want to see the lizard.
We're off to see the lizard. The wonderful Lizard of Oz. Well, the Digi Boys, they all made it to the Emerald City, so everything was
Or
good.
they call it Toy Town.
Toy Town.
That's much better.
Yes.
Okay.
We were living a
We were
dream.
just doing some random shit.